Another common question we get asked about is blocked ducts and mastitis. Blocked ducts usually come on from engorgement that hasn't been resolved. A blocked duct is a lump that you can feel in your breast tissue around where your milk ducts are. It's really important that we get this going. We need to remove this blocked duct because if not, inflammation will appear, can be really red, it can be warm to touch. You may get flu-like symptoms, and that can be leading into mastitis. All of these are preventable. This shouldn't be happening. What we need to make sure is if you do have a blocked duct, we need to get the baby to feed, get that milk off, check that position and attachment. It's really important that if you have got a lump in your breast and after support and that lump is still there, you get it checked by the GP. Any new lumps should be checked by a GP. If we don't get this unblocked, it can lead to mastitis, which is then inflammation of the breast tissue. And not always do you need to get antibiotics. You can do some self-help measures. This is feed your baby, get your baby onto the breast, feed. It can be massaging, doing hand expressing, pumping, whatever is your usual routine. You do not want to over pump or cause more milk supply because that can just have more of an effect and cause more of a problem within the breast. What you want to make sure is that you are feeding as you usually would, making sure that it's an adequate and effective milk transfer. If you aren't feeling better after having the self-help measures, which is getting your baby to feed, clear that duct, hand express if needs be, if your baby's not feeding correctly. Making sure that you're resting, drinking plenty of fluids, taking analgesia if you're able to. If you notice that it's still very red, hot, warm to touch, or you're becoming more unwell, it's really important that you seek medical advice. At that point, you may need some antibiotics. If you need any advice, support, or just some reassurance, pick up the phone, give us a call, reach out to your midwife, your health visitor, or the infant feeding team.